Bro, this is so fun. I am so excited, guys. This is how to download the Delta Executor for iOS and Android. So this fully works, guys. So as you can see, it is here right now. So I'm gonna show you guys, get it? So as you can see, it is fully working. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to download it onto your device. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So what you wanna do, guys, is type in tweakmod.com. So now just type in Delta and then press on it. So before this downloads, it's going to be like a verification thing, but it's completely free, guys. It's from official store. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So I'm just going to let it load up. So yeah, let's just give it a second. As you can see, all right, so it should work. All right, so let's see. So yeah, it's loading right now, so we'll just give it a minute. Okay, so as you can see at the end, it says missing files. So basically we have to download these apps from the list. So you want to do 2 of them. So like Travel Town says reach level 9. So I just got to go to the App Store, play this till I'm level 9. So that's pretty easy. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. But yeah, I mean, as long as you download 2 of the apps, follow instructions, you should be good to go. So yeah, have fun, guys. This is ridiculously awesome. This is so fun, bro.